everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made my beautiful flower wall for my shop. I saw some opportunities that I could not let go, and I'm going to start by showing you now. Flower wall on a budget. Hey! First of all, I was lucky enough that Family Dollar was closing down and I had 75% off all the flowers, and I should have bought all of them. My crazy behind only bought the white ones and some pink ones, but I should have bought all of them, and you'll see why later on. Next stop, I went to Lowe's and got me my styrofoam board, 4 feet by 8 feet.
Mommy, I see cotton candy.
What it looks like. What do you see?
Cotton candy.
That's not cotton candy, girl. Come on. Bye to the register. Long story short, I was not paying no one to haul my board, so I squeezed it in my SUV and I made it work, you know. Now I got my board laying flat on my dining room table. I felt like that was the only place I can really work and concentrate. I'm taking out all my flowers. You see how big that box was? Yeah, that was that Family Dollar box. I definitely was winning. So here I am taking the flower out the stem, trying to see where I'm going to place it, and then I take a toothpick and put a hole in the styrofoam, and then I take my glue gun, put some glue in the hole, and then take that flower and put that flower stem right in that hole. And that was how I was able to get it to stay in there, lock it in, so no flowers will be falling out, not on Esther's watch. The reason I like these flowers instead of roses is because it was easier to fill up the board. If I had chose roses, I would have needed much more, and it would have taken me a lot more time than these flowers. So the struggles that I had, first struggle was knowing that I had more white flowers versus the burgundy flowers. So I was adding more white flowers, but then when I got to the very end, I ran out of white flowers. So then it was way more burgundy on one side versus white on the other. So I had to go back and add burgundy all throughout the board. And then I felt like it was still too much white. So another thing that I did was take spray paint and spray some of the white flowers gold to add a little splash of color to make the board look nice. That was one reason why I said I should have bought all the flowers, especially running out. This is where I ran out of flowers and I had to run to the store and buy more. And I was devastated because I had to pay full price now. I spent I spent $9 on these. And then I went to Roses and got some more burgundy. So I spent $15 on these. So now I feel like I want to add more burgundy all the way up because I do like this look down here. So that's about it. So if you missed how I put the flowers in the beginning, all I did was first poke the hole to where I wanted to place the flower, then added some glue with the glue gun and put the flower right in. Here I'm going to show you how I did my pink flowers. I wanted some green, so I cut out some of the stem and put the leaf in, and then put this little pretty little thing. I don't know what it's called. So here you put the flower in and poke a hole, add that glue, and it's in there like swimwear. I'm corny, I know, but yes. Here I'm just finishing up my board, adding flowers to all the little holes. I didn't want to see any green styrofoam underneath. I was adding more pink, more burgundy, and I just love this side. This is the paint that I used for these flowers. I bought the paint at Walmart. It was like probably like $5. Now I'm on my way to the shop. I was so excited. I brought it in here and it's entirely too wide, so I'm gonna have to cut either one side maybe that side, and just cut it down. When I first measured it, it was like perfectly measured, but now it's like not right. So cutting down I go. How did I put it on the wall? First, I lifted it up. I did not want it touching the baseboard, but I wanted to make sure that it went all the way up to the ceiling. Sorry that you can't have a full view. I started by putting 2 nails at the bottom, then 2 nails on top. In total, I probably used 8 nails. Now you want to get long nails, longer than the styrofoam, for it to actually work. The 2 nails I put on top, I did not hammer it down all the way. That way I can still hang my sign on the nails, which was clever of me. So here it is. By the way, shout out to my boyfriend for giving me the Esther Giftedhandz light. I love it. Thank you. Not sure if you noticed, but I had ended up taking the burgundy out the bottom row. And I was like, nope, this look a mess. Let me add it back in. So this is what I'm doing right now, adding the burgundy back in and trying to fill in the rest of the holes. Here I was adding some AA batteries to the package for my name light. I was trying to find a place to hide it, so I'm going to hide it underneath. On the side actually. So I cut out a piece of the styrofoam and made like a pocket for the battery pack. I also hid the wires on the side so you weren't able to see them. So here's my daughter. I'm about to have her model for me, and she's always down to help her mama. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you guys later. Bye.